Hey guys, welcome to Zinilo's Food Channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can roast groundnuts within 3 minutes in an oven. So first off, remove all the bad seeds from the groundnuts, wash it very well. Drain the water out and then add in some salt to coat each and every one of the groundnuts. So toss it around to make sure that every part of the groundnut is coated with salt. So allow it to sit for some minutes so that it will penetrate into the groundnut. Then we head over to bring our baking tray, spread the groundnuts on the baking tray and make sure everything is separated from each other, so that they don't be on top. They will get done at the same time. So we'll proceed to the oven, place it inside the oven and then give it just 3 minutes. My own was almost burning because it stayed more than 3 minutes. By 5 minutes when I checked it, it was almost burning, so I had to bring it out. So within 3 minutes you're going to achieve this, and it came out very lovely, crispy and sweet. I hope you're gonna try this. If you do, let me know in the comment section, or go ahead to subscribe, go ahead to comment, go ahead to like this video if you really enjoyed watching. So I use mine to drink gari. I enjoy drinking gari with groundnuts, so this is very handy and it's also delicious. Can you see? Very lovely. Make sure you do try it and let me know when you do. Bye. Until I come your way next time, this is Zinilo's Food. Stay good, stay blessed. Bye guys.